What's up, everybody? Welcome to Lynn Hope Acres. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of 100 Limelight hydrangeas, and I'm going to take them out of the box and put them into pots right away, trade gallon pots, mix some peat moss and some regular just potting soil and get them all potted up. So that's what we're going to go do today, and I'll show you that process, and it's going to be a good time. So if you order 100 hydrangea cuttings from this company, it comes in about a small box like this. We got the plastic bag with some moss to keep it wet, and then all the cuttings are under here. As you can see, 100 hydrangea limelight root cuttings. Company information's on the back, so that's what that little card is. And then this is just a lid. And this is what it looks like. Of course, they're dormant, so they're not going to be any green. There's 100 of these limelight hydrangea cuttings in here, and I can show you guys how to pot them up and get them ready for the next 2 years journey. This is my first time with hydrangeas coming in like this, so my goal of majority of these is to keep back and take my own cuttings off of these down in the future. So I probably won't sell most of these, but this is how it comes. This will just give me the opportunity to do my own cuttings, basically. So they're about $1 a piece, but shipped and the credit card convenience fee, it was about $145 for this 100. So $1.40 each after everything. So I'll unpack them and get you guys show you guys how to put them into dirt and get them set up. So see if I can pull one out here. So that's what one looks like there. A rooted cutting. Flip them over, put some dirt in it. Put the seedlings in here. And I'll put more dirt in there and I'll flatten it down. And then once they have all the dirt in them, bring it over here and put it in the pile. So this is the end result. 104 limelight hydrangeas all potted up. The dirt in here was about full. And that's how much I used. We got plenty of pots. And then there's my hostas laid out, about 25 of them.